Okay, watch this gauge. Right now, your car's computer thinks it's being driven by a careful, timid, gentle person. That's not you. So why are you letting it hold you back? For 2 decades turning wrenches, I've learned a simple truth. Your car is intentionally nerfed. From the factory, from the dealership, it's all set up for average, for mediocrity. But I don't work on average cars. I work on legends. And today, I'm giving you the exact 10 underground hacks I use to turn a regular vehicle into a resilient, responsive machine. And the last one? That's the $8 secret that got my own Ford past the 400,000-mile mark without ever cracking the engine open. This is how you break the programming. Hack number 10, the tire pressure truth. That little sticker on your door jamb, it's not a recommendation, it's a compromise. It's calculated for a car stuffed with 5 people and their luggage riding on a bumpy road to give you the softest, most pillowy feel possible during a 10-minute test drive. But when was the last time you drove like that? Exactly. So you're rolling on underinflated, mushy tires. It's like running in sand. Your steering feels vague, your fuel economy dips, and acceleration is lazy. Here's the fix. For daily driving with just you or a passenger, take that door jamb number and add 4 pounds of pressure. Just 4. The car will feel alive. The steering sharpens, the tires respond crisper, and you'll see the difference at the pump within a week. This isn't a guess, it's physics. Hack number 9, the throttle body carbon purge. Think of your throttle body as your engine's windpipe. By 50,000 miles, it's coated in a gummy black layer of carbon, like a smoker's lungs. This sludge chokes off the air, confusing the computer, making your idle rough and your throttle response feel like it's wading through mud. A dealership will see this and quote you $300 for a cleaning service. You know what I see? An $8 can of throttle body cleaner in 15 minutes. Pop off the intake tube, spray the blackened butterfly valve until it's spotless metal, wipe it down. When you fire it up, the engine won't just be smoother, it'll breathe like it just got a shot of pure oxygen. Hack number 8 is the MAF sensor cleaning trick. This little wire, right here in your intake, tells your engine how much air is coming in. It's hypersensitive, and it gets dirty just sitting there. When it's coated in dust and oil mist, it lies. It tells the computer not enough air, so the computer dumps in extra fuel. You get worse gas mileage, a hesitant stumble when you hit the gas, and you lose power. The parts department wants to sell you a new sensor for over $200. 90% of the time, you don't need a new one. You need a $7 can of MAF sensor cleaner. Unplug it, give it a gentle spray, let it air dry for 2 minutes, and plug it back in. It's like putting glasses on your engine. The world becomes clear, and your right foot feels the difference immediately. Hack number 7 is resetting the ECU after buying a used car. This is critical. Your car's computer is a student. It learns. When you buy used, you're inheriting the driving habits of a complete stranger. If they were a nervous, hesitant driver, the car has learned to be sluggish to save fuel. If they were aggressive, it might be jerky and overeager. You need to wipe the slate clean. Disconnect the negative battery cable, wait 15 minutes, go have a coffee. Then reconnect it. Start the car, let it idle for 10 minutes so all the sensors recalibrate, then drive it. Drive it like you drive. The ECU will study you, and within a day, the car will feel like it was custom built for your instincts. Hack number 6 is the Italian tune-up. Modern cars are suffering from short trip syndrome. Constant 5-minute drives to the store never let the engine get truly hot. That allows moisture and raw fuel to congeal into carbon deposits inside the cylinders. It's a slow death by gunk. Dealers have a machine that blasts it out for $600, but your engine has a self-clean cycle, and you activate it with your right foot. Once every 2 weeks, find a safe stretch of highway. Bring the engine up to 3,500–4,000 RPM and hold it there for 15 minutes. Not speeding, just a lower gear. The increased heat and airflow literally burns this carbon away. You're giving your engine a deep, cathartic breath. When you exit, it will feel liberated, stronger, and eerily smooth. Hack number 5 is the spark plug gap secret. Even brand new spark plugs are often gapped incorrectly. Why? Because a wider gap creates a longer, hotter flame that burns fuel more completely for lower emissions. but it's a weaker spark that can struggle, especially as the plug ages. For performance, for response, for reliability, you want a slightly tighter gap. Get a $4 gapping tool. Find the recommended spec in your manual and set the gap toward the very bottom of that range. You're creating a shorter, fatter, more powerful spark kernel. The result is a smoother idle, instant throttle response when you tap the gas, and more complete combustion that also saves you fuel. It's a tiny adjustment with a massive feel. Hack number 4 is the lie about oil change intervals. 10,000-mile oil changes are perfectly fine. That's the biggest marketing line in the book. It's based on perfect laboratory conditions, but your life isn't a lab. You idle in traffic, you take 2-mile trips, you drive in dust and heat and cold. That's severe service, and it shreds oil. Sticking to that long interval is a recipe for sludge, for worn-out timing chains, for a noisy, tired engine. The truth is, if you use conventional oil, change it every 5,000 miles. Full synthetic, you can push it to 6 or 7,000, but not 10. That extra $50 oil change is the cheapest insurance you will ever buy against a $5,000 engine job. Hack number 2 is the hidden restriction in factory air filters. Open your airbox. See that thick, pleated paper filter? It's not just filtering air, it's muffling sound. Car makers want a silent, luxury feel when you floor it on the test drive, but that silence comes from restriction. That filter is literally strangling your engine, holding back horsepower you paid for. The fix is a high-flow, reusable filter from a brand like K&N or AEM. It flows 30 to 50% more air. The installation takes 10 minutes, and the moment you start it, you'll hear the difference, a healthy intake growl. More importantly, you'll feel it, sharper, faster, more eager. It's like your engine spent its whole life breathing through a straw, and you just gave it a clear airway. Hack number 2 is true fuel injector cleaning. When an engine starts to run rough, loses power, and burns fuel, dealerships point straight at the fuel injectors. They're worn out, they say. $1,200 to replace. Nonsense. Most injectors aren't worn, they're just clogged with years of varnish from cheap fuel. The real fix is a forced induction cleaning. Hack number 1 is the transmission fluid lifetime myth. Lifetime fluid. Let's be brutally honest. Lifetime means the lifetime of the warranty, maybe 60, 100,000 miles. After that, if your transmission fails, well, its lifetime is over, isn't it? It's a cruel play on words that costs people $4,000. Heat breaks down transmission fluid. It loses its protective properties, the gears wear, and by 90,000 miles, it's often too late. The hack is simple, and it's non-negotiable. Every 30 to 40,000 miles, do a transmission fluid drain and fill. Not an aggressive flush, just drain what's in the pan and refill it with fresh fluid. This simple sub-$200 service, repeated throughout the life of your car, can double or even triple your transmission's lifespan. It is the single most impactful thing you can do to protect your investment. 10 hacks. Some cost nothing but time. The most expensive is a quality air filter. Together, they can save you over 15 grand in repairs and add years of driving pleasure. I've applied this philosophy to over 4,000 cars. The ones that get this care regularly hit 200,000 miles like it's a minor milestone. The ones that blindly follow the manual, well, they're on their last legs by 100,000. But if you want to go beyond even these 10 hacks, if you want the one ritual that binds them all together into something unstoppable, a single monthly check that takes 5 minutes and can add years to your engine's life, well, that's a story for right now. The very next video on your screen is waiting for you, and what's in it is more important than all the tips I just gave you combined. Go click it. I'll be there.